frying a pork, guys. So for us to have our dinner, our viand for our dinner, a fried pork. Fried pork. And here, guys, we need to fry it after this one.
It's our dinner for tonight. We have a rice also, guys, because rice is life.
Rice is life.
Yeah, we don't cook in a dirty kitchen because it's a lot of, no, it's much easier here.
We're already starving.
You're starving.
We need to fry this.
This is Mickey, our pig.
Yes.
Our
This
dear
is from
pig.
our farm.
Fresh from the farm.
Yes, fresh from the farm.
Look at this. There's a black something. There's a black something. What did you put there, Dai?
I put an oyster sauce, a small amount of calamansi,
And salt.
yeah, and salt, and seasoning, bikin. I put bikin. Oh guys, it's smoking. Look at guys the color. Grabe ito nasirit na. There's a sound, guys. Meaning, if there's a sound, it's delicious.
It's delicious.
If there's a sound, guys, meaning there's something there that is yummier. Not compared to the food that it won't make sound.
Yeah. It means there's a water, Maton.
Guys, we will put already our cooked pork. It's delicious pork. Yummier.
Chef Jeneline. Chef.
Your chef or not, sir?
Chef for tonight.
Yes. And then we will put this one again. We will wait if it is already reddish. So we will
It's already reddish.
yeah. Is by term okay, guys? Reddish or radish? So guys, we will already flip or turn this one into what is this? Turn around. I don't know. Oh, it's cooked already, guys. Pork is life.
That looks tasty, guys. Oh my
Yes.
gosh.
Have this. Come zoom in, guys. Come zoom in. Yeah. There's a oyster sauce, so that's why there's a
Black.
black there because of the oyster sauce that I put here. Hey guys, it's already cooked. Cooked na guys. Ready to eat.
You put ketchup. You dip in ketchup.
We will dip in ketchup. And that's all guys. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching.